Well, I've been knowing Brittany, that was my interior decorator, since I was a child. She's my childhood friend. And I knew when I got a home that I would be using her for it because her mom has always done an awesome job decorating, and now she is following her mother's footsteps. I've had an amazing time. I've loved to use all my creativity. Anything I wanted to do, Brittany was open to it. She did not want to have my fabulous chair, and we got it in here. All the looks she gave me are amazing. My home is so beautiful. I think that we collaborated well on this, and she definitely picked out some awesome things for me. So I had a great experience.
People about you. Sharon Mann Design.
They're awesome. They're professional. And I just want to say thank you again. And let me tell you something. Baby, your house don't look like mine if you didn't use Sharon Mann Design. Period.
Period.